Hi, I'm Ann Moles, and thank you for choosing to review this ASBNC Community Help and How to Process. Okay, today we're going to show how to work with Microsoft Access and use the Find and Replace tool. Okay, now this is very handy when you're wanting to replace dates or any content within a particular field in Microsoft Access. And you have a lot of records that may need that same type of data in that field. Okay, so instead of going and copying and pasting in that information in that particular field, you can use the find and replace item. Okay, so what you'll want to do is to definitely just go ahead and open your Microsoft Access database and then find the table that you're wanting to use the find and replace feature. Now, my issue was that I had blank information for records in this particular column, so I didn't have this date and it was blank. So what I wanted to do, I wanted to put a date in it, in that field, and I had a lot of records that didn't have the date. So what I did was, what you do is you can sort, so that there are sort options here, and I wanted to I'll sort from the oldest to the newest, and you'll see here I have a lot of just blank records, blank fields for each record. So what you will do from here is you'll select the Find button, okay? And the Find button also has the Replace option or tab in the button, okay, in the wizard information. So that's super cool, and you'll just select that. Now, I'm just going to delete this, and we're going to start from the beginning. So what do I want to do? I want to find a blank field in the record. Okay, so in this column, so I'll type in null or is null. Either one will work for you. We'll just type null, and then what do I want to replace it with? Well, this date, I'll take it old for the demo just so that you'll see, and say for instance this date I need it to be super old, and we'll put in that date. Now what you'll do is you'll find next and then replace, and notice how the find and replace tool will just replace it with that new information. Now if you know that all of these records, that there are a lot of records, and that was my issue, I didn't want to copy paste, so I'm just going to go all of these null fields I want to replace all, and that's what Access is doing. It's replacing all for you. Okay, and it's still working. And you'll get this, you won't be able to undo this replace operation. Do you want to continue? You'll say yes. Okay, and that's it. Thank you.